Welcome to Ramanujan Maths Academy. In this video, we are going to study determinant method, or it is also known as Cramer's rule, in just 3 steps. Okay, so let's start. In step 1, you have to take two simultaneous equations in general form. So first, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, equation number 1, and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. It is our equation number 2, where x and y are variables. X and y are variables, and a1 comma b1 comma c1 and a2 comma b2 comma c2 are real numbers. Okay, x and y are variables, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 are real numbers, and one condition you have to remember, that is a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is not equal to 0. It is actually determinant, so this is not equal to 0. If it becomes 0, then equations have infinite solutions. So this is step first. Now let's start step second. Value of d, that is determinant, it is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So from this equation 1 and 2, I can write value of d as a1 a2 and b1 b2. So our first determinant d is this. Now we have to write value of dx. So here in this equation 1 and 2, we hide the terms with which x is there. So a1x and a2x, if I am hiding it over here, then what I am getting, see here. Now this place is empty, a1 a2. So I will write b1 b2 over here, b1 b2, and the empty space is filled with this remaining terms, that is c1 and c2. So c1 and c2. So it is our next determinant, that is dx. Similarly for dy is equal to, now I hide the terms of b1y and b2y. So what remains here, a1x and a2x. So a1 a2 and remainder is c1 c2. Remaining terms are c1 and c2. So we got our these three determinants, d, dx and dy. Now in step 3, we have to find the value of variable x. So how we find? So there is formula to find that variable x. X is equal to dx upon d. You will get the value of dx from here in step 2, and value of d is from here, determinant. Similarly, value of y, you can find it, y is equal to dy upon d. So just it in 3 steps, you can remember the determinant method, or you can say it Cramer's rule. Solving the simultaneous equation with the help of Cramer's rule. So first example you can see on this board, that is 5x plus 3y equal to minus 11 and 2x plus 4y equal to minus 10. So first we will write these two equations one by one. 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11. It is equation number 1. And second, 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10, equation number 2. Now we first write the values of a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. So first here a1 is 5, then b1 is 3, then c1 is minus 11, and a2 is 2, b2 is 4, and value of c2 is minus 10. Now we know that formula to find out determinant dx and dy. Here also I have written that. So first finding the value of d is equal to a1 a2 b1 b2, which is equal to, now write the values of a1, that is 5, next b1 3, a2 is 2 and b2 is 4. Now find out, see 5 into 4 and then 3 into 2. So 5 into 4 is equal to 20 minus 3 into 2 is 6, which is equal to 14. So value of d is 14. Next we will find value of dx. So dx is equal to, here you can see c1 c2 and b1 b2. Now substituting the value, what is c1 minus 11, what is c2 minus 10, b1 is 3 and b2 is 4. Now multiplication, minus 11 into 4, minus 11 into 4, minus of 3 into minus 10, okay, 3 into minus 10, which is equal to minus 44 minus 30, which is equal to minus 44, here it is minus 30, minus 44, minus minus got plus, so minus 44 plus 30, which is equal to minus 14. Now we got our second value, that is dx is minus 14. Now we have to find the value of dy here. So dy is equal to, again what is the formula, a1 a2 c1 c2, a1 a2 c1 c2, which is equal to, now write the values, a1 a2 is 5 2, 5 2, next c1 c2 is minus 11 and minus 10. Now take their multiplication. So 5 into minus 10, 5 into minus 10, minus of minus 11 into 2, which is equal to 5 into minus 10, minus 50, minus 11 into 2, minus 22. Okay, but this minus minus get plus, so minus 50 plus 22, which is equal to minus 28. Now we have got all the values of d, dx and dy. Now we will find out the values of x and y. So here I will write value of x and y. Now we know the formula, x is equal to dx upon d. Therefore x is equal to, value of dx is minus 14 and value of d is plus 14. So we get the value of x as minus 1. So value of x is minus 1. Now we have to find the value of y. So I have to rub this, and we know that value of d is 14. Okay, then y is equal to dy upon d, which is equal to, what is value of dy, that is minus 28 upon value of d is 14, which is equal to minus 2. So our solution is xy is equal to minus 1, xy is equal to minus 1 and minus 2. Now solving the second example, that is 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 and 6x equal to 8 minus 5y. First of all, we have to write this problem into the standard form, that is ax plus by equal to c. So pay attention, 4x plus 3y minus 4. Now we have to shift this 4 to the right side of the equation. So we will get 4x plus 3y equal to plus 4. It is our equation number 1. And this equation 6x, this 5y we have to shift to the left of the equation. So here it is in minus. When it shifts to the left side of the equation, it becomes plus. So 6x plus 5y is equal to 8 as it is. Equation number 2. Now it is our standard form. Now we compare these two equations with a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. We get a1 as 4, b1 as 3 and c1 as 4, and a2 as 6, b2 as 5 and c2 as 8. Now we find the value of determinant. So here b is equal to a1 a2 b1 b2, which is equal to a1 is 4, a2 is 6, 4 6, and b1 b2 is 3 and 5, which is equal to, now 4 into 5 is 20 and minus 3 into 6, it is 18. So value of determinant is 2, which is not equal to 0. So value of determinant D is 2. Now we will find value of dx. So dx is equal to, here c1 c2 and b1 b2, which is equal to, value of c1 is 4 and c2 is 8. So first 4 8 and b1 b2 are 3 and 5. So 3 and 5. Now their multiplication, 4 into 5, which is equal to 20, minus 3 into 8, which is equal to 24, and hence the dx is minus 4. Value of dx is minus 4. Now we will find value of dy. So formula is here, dy is equal to a1 a2 and c1 c2. Okay, now substituting the value, 4 6 and 4 and 8. Now taking their cross multiplication, 4 into 8 is equal to 32 minus 4 into 6 is 24. So which is equal to 32 minus 24 is 8. So value of dy is 8. Now we have got all the values. Now x equal to dx upon d. So what is the value of dx? It is minus 4 and value of d is 2. So minus 4 upon 2 is equal to minus 2, and value of y is equal to dy upon d, which is equal to, value of dy is 8. So 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so minus 2 and 4 are the solution of this simultaneous equation. So here I will write xy is equal to minus 2 and 4 is the solution of this given simultaneous equation.